My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards?
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry, and today I have for you my July Boxycharm. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription service for $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, usually luxury products, some from very well-known brands and sometimes some undiscovered brands that they're kind of introducing to us. So it's a really cool subscription, a really fun way to discover new products, to just get something new to play with every month. So I really enjoy this box. It's one of my best. So let's get into what's in this box for July 2018. So as per usual, inside the box comes a pamphlet that tells you all of the products and what their retail value is. Occasionally there will be some coupons, like on the back of here there is a 20% off coupon for Wander Beauty and a 20% off for Pharmacy. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get in here and see what's in this box. I'm just going to show you the theme and we'll go down the row. The theme for this month is road tripping, and I know a lot of you have been road tripping. Some of you just been tripping, but some of you have been road tripping, and so this is a cool theme for summer, obviously. But let's get into these products. I see that we have 5 today, and so I'm going to go through and give you a little description, read to you what's on the pamphlet, and tell you what the retail price is. At the end, I will give you in the annotations a combined value of what's in this box. The value of the box far exceeds the $21 a month that you pay, so it's really a great deal. The first product is by Dr. Brandt, and I always get the happy joys when I see Dr. Brandt because I really like these products, and they're super expensive, so I love getting them in subscription boxes. So we have Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under-eye bags and dark circles. It retails for $42. So I don't really have a major issue with bags, but early in the morning when I first wake up, I do have some. So I will try this. And my plan for this month is to get all my subscription services, which I told you guys I've reduced it down to just a few. And I'll do a look using all these products, and I will demo this for you. Again, it's worth $42, super pricey, so you've already paid for the cost of your box if you like that product. Alright, next we have a Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow collection. So let me get this out of the box for you. Alright, we've got cardboard packaging with the rose gold emblem. And inside, a pretty good size mirror. And here are the shadows. This doesn't really show on my camera, but it's rose gold. So I'll hold this up for you to take a gander while I read to you the description. It says, made up of rich warm toned shades, this creamy high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam #goals. It retails for $24. Oops, I'm reading the wrong one. It retails for $29.99. Alright, so those two combined, you've tripled the cost of your box. I think I've made it obvious that the box is a good value, so I'll stop with that. Alright, next we have something from a brand that I've never heard of, Wander Beauty. It's called Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It's interesting that it's in a tube. It says, this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. It retails for $24. And again, on the back of here, there was a 20% off coupon. The code is WanderCharm07 and it is good through August 16th, 2018. So, just so you know. I will try this. I'm not going to open it right now because I have a lot of mascaras that I'm trying to go through. If you watched my vanity tour, you saw in my drawer that I have a lot of mascaras that I'm going to have to declutter soon. But I'm going to put this in my new drawer, so when I'm ready for a new mascara, I'll try this one. Alright, next is Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. It retails for $11.99. Another brand that I've never heard of. I hope it's a pretty shade. I always hope for either a coral or a pink because I don't really like many other colors. But anyways, kind of bulky packaging but substantial, and I like it for $11.99. There we go. Ooh, it is a really nice, pretty, kind of an amberish coral color. It says, and it's Desert Rose is the shade. And it has a nice little mirror if you need to carry it with you. It says, designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat perfect for the charmer on the go. So inside here is the little brush, and the brush is pretty soft, but to be honest, I'm never really much a fan of little brushes or sponges that come inside of compacts. I usually just toss them, and luckily this one will just stay hidden underneath there, but that's an explanation for the bulkiness and would be good for travel or good for keeping in your purse. So I like that. And finally, Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Let's see about this thing. Okay, there's a little eyebrow brush. And on the other side, okay, there's some product in there. It looks maybe like some pomade, but let's read about it. It says, add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. It retails for $26. So I don't know, you guys. I've had lots of Chella products, and they're almost always eyebrow products, and they're almost always like a universal taupe. And for me, I really like to have something warmer on my eyebrows because it matches my hair better. And so I don't think I'm going to try this. I said I was going to use things from my subscription boxes, but I am going to use things that I'm going to keep. If I'm going to give them away, I'm not going to swatch them and mess them up. So I guess I might end up using this sooner rather than later. But out of all these things, I will keep and try to use everything except for the Chella eyebrow product. I just am not a fan of pomades or creams for my eyebrows. They just don't seem to stay put, and I don't think the color's going to work for me. So toss it into a giveaway, and one of you guys will get it. I think it would be beautiful on somebody who is a very dark brunette without any warm undertones in their hair, red, auburn undertones. So like I said, I will put an annotation with the complete value of all these products, and that's it for the Boxycharm. Like I said, again, I will use some of these products in a get ready with me or in a video so that you can see how they perform, and the ones that I give away, obviously not. But anyways, thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my box. I would love to hear if you got something different or a different shade, or what was your favorite from this box if you're a Boxycharm subscriber. If you're interested in getting this subscription service, I will have a referral link as well as a direct link in the info box for you, and you can go check it out. Again, it's $21 a month and an awesome value, and there's never a box that I don't really love something in it. So that's it for me, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and for you to subscribe if you haven't already. For those of you that have been here for a long time with me, thank you for your loyalty and for the time that you spend coming to watch my videos. For those of you that are new, thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you enjoyed your time here, and I hope you will subscribe and come back again. But until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. that you can see that you will pay for your $21 a month fee many times over with the products that you get. Did that make sense? Your price for the monthly subscription, no. Formulated with biomimetic reduced under eye bags and dark circles. I'm going to start over and do that one more again. And I'll stop now. I think I've made it obvious that it is a value. It is, and it's good through August. Good God, it's small. Built-in brush. Let's see. There must be, I don't want to break this and I don't want to break my fingernail. So where's the brush exactly is what I'd like to know. I'm trying to get underneath because it's, oh, haha, you don't have to do anything but lift it up. Okay, Sherri, 6 hours later, Sherri figures out the very uncomplicated. Inside here is a little brush. This is kind of soft, but I'm never a fan of brushes that come in If you're not in, you're interested, I will have a referral as long at
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed?